Hello, this is Jitesh, and today I will show you more enhanced things in the producer consumer example. Okay, so in the last time we did send custom object into producer and receive custom object into consumer, but we did configuration things into application.yml file. Okay, so today what I will show you, remove the configuration from the application.yml file or application.properties file and put into Java based configuration thing. Okay, so I will show, this is more robust thing. If you want to more thing we need to put, then we go with the Java based configuration. All things we cannot perform into application.properties or application.yml, so we come with the Java based configuration. So for this we need to create a configuration class. So let's come with the id level. Okay, so last time we did application.yml, Kafka producer, bootstrap server, key serializer, value serializer, and in the consumer same things we did deserializer, and also properties we put custom package. Okay, so I did comment it out, and what we did, I created a producer config file. Simple. As you know, the last time we created only create new topic, but today we created 3 additional methods. Basically it's created a bean. So first of all we created the producer config, which returns the properties thing. Property is a form of key value pair. Okay, so this properties is a key value map file. So we are putting properties.put and put bootstrap server config property producer config dot bootstrap server config localhost colon 1992, whatever your port you need to put it, and producer config key serializer class config string serializer and producer config value serializer class config JSON serializer. Make sure JSON should be Spring class, not the you can see now this is the for two classes, but make sure you should use org Spring framework Kafka support, otherwise you will face a problem. Okay. Next we create a producer factory. Under producer factory we create an instance of default Kafka producer factory. Okay, so producer factory default Kafka producer factory, we pass the configuration, that is the producer config, basically map we need to pass. Okay, and also Kafka template. In the Kafka template we create a new Kafka template and producer factory we need to pass. Okay, and in the consumer config what we need to do, same way we need to use consumer config properties. Properties is kind of map, hash map. We pass the value bootstrap server, key deserializer, value deserializer, and also tested package. Tested package you can put asterisk also. Okay, and here next is consumer factory. We create a consumer factory and we instantiate default Kafka consumer factory and provide the Kafka consumer config. Whatever the consumer config, we provide consumer config here. Okay, so it will return the consumer factory. One another thing, basically this is the listener class. Point to be noted here, this is a listener class. Listener class means somewhere in the internally it will somewhere it is every time ask, it is listen from the Kafka. So we need to provide the implementation in the listener class also. Okay, so for the listener class, Kafka listener container factory, this is the interface basically, and its implementation we use the concurrent Kafka listener container factory. Okay, concurrent Kafka listener container factory, this is the implementation, and we set the consumer factory. So we are setting this is the consumer factory we are setting, and return the listener class. This is the listener class. Okay, so for this it is asking your, okay, so we return the concurrent Kafka listener container factory. Okay, so here We did only configuration thing, nothing special I did. So nothing I did here. Event controller, nothing I did. Consumer, same thing, I just consume it. Kafka publisher, previously is a normal message, but today I will show same thing, future dot when complete I added. Okay, nothing special, just comment it and run it. Already it is running actually, so I will show you the result directly. Publish, just send, showing 200, okay, and let's see the log. Terminal, this is the log. Okay, so we are consume the customer object. Okay, so that's it for today only. We will meet next thing in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video for your motivation. Thank you for watching.